rules of this game are like reality. We all think we have infinite possibilities, but when you really analyze it, every question and answer is constrained by previous choices. Relax. Time to say bye. Boom.
Another knave and face can blot out the sin of your past. Fail. Defend you.
Release your full potential. The power you carry is the key to opening a way through to the Ambrosial Arbor. As coming here triggered your memory. What happens next is in your hands.
You, and you. All three of you are staying right here.
The karma of past lives changed the world of the present.